Excellent.
The coronavirus, COVID-19 era continue to change our lives. Physically distance and face masks are still the norm. People are exploring new ways of surviving and making a living. Lifestyles have changed. People have had to adapt to a new way of living. During the pandemic of 2020 and 2021, after weathering months of stay-at-home self-quarantine, two free-spirited, liberal-minded souls, Hawkeye and Jeannie, are second-generation hippies and are aging baby boomers who are still out and having fun. Come and ride along with Hawkeye and Jeannie on their journey in a van, visiting cities, communities, towns, and other places of interest to determine what is really going on during the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic. Who is in business and who is not? What is the new normal way to live? How are people surviving? Then report back to you with these videos. This is what Hawkeye's Tales and Trails is all about. I am Delmer, the staff narrator. Episode 62 is about Hawkeye and Jeannie escape from Seattle and spending the night at Seven Cedars, an Indian casino in Squime, Washington. Welcome to the land of sea to sky. The unique and beautiful setting of the tribal lands at the head of Squime Bay inspired a 42-foot-tall, 400-year-old western red cedar totem pole. The creatures on the pole include animals that hold significance to the Squime people. At the base is an orca that represents life in the Salish Sea. The orca is an apex species and iconic to their region. He is parting the waves and water with his power. There are many Squime stories about the orca, its significance to the ancient ways, and its interactions with the Squime people. The next figure up the pole is a wolf person with the face of a human and the ears of a wolf. He is holding onto the orca with his face in between the flukes of the orca's tail and his arms and legs grasping the orca's body. This combination of imagery hints at an honoring of the Squime wolf society that in historic times was a central cultural practice. The Squime people honor the wolf, believing themselves to be descended from a family of wolves. The wolf person represents an ancient time when the animals were people. The wolf figure pays homage to the ecology of the past, when the wolf was a prevalent and important apex species on the Olympic Peninsula. Have you ever watched any of the Twilight movies? The orca and wolf are said to be able to shift back and forth from land to sea.
Well, viewers, I'm here today at Seven Cedars Casino Hotel. The experience I'm here to talk about is casinos provide free RV parking. And all you got to do is, for us, this is our first for us, go inside, join their players club. Then you go to another booth, show them your picture ID, and they give you a thing to hang in your mirror, or, put in your window. And you can stay up to 3 days. Without cost, but of course they're hoping you're going to eat dinner and buy some drinks and probably play some games.
Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope that they are somewhat interesting. Our goal is to show people, places, and events that you may not normally get to see, hear, and how the COVID-19 pandemic may have affected them. We would like to mention that as of this time, Stray Cat LLC, Stray Cat Productions or Hawkeye, Jeannie, or myself have not received any compensation or consideration from this entity or any other business that we have showcased on any of our episodes. Our videos are amateur, unscripted documentaries of Hawkeye and Jeannie's travels. Please share our video with others. Please click the like or the thumbs up icon. We need 1,000 subscribers to be monetized by YouTube. Click on the round icon to subscribe and be notified when future episodes are available. It is our recommendation that if you are new to Hawkeye's Tales and Trails, start with episode 1. I am Delmer, the narrator. Have a prosperous day.